Hey everyone, so I have another card series opening. So we have Haikyuu. I believe these are metallic cards, just like the previous ones we've opened for Spy Family. And there are 20 packages in one box, and there are 33 different kinds. So we're gonna go ahead and hope that we have some good ones. And look at that variety. I'm seeing a couple of different packages. So it looks like there are four different varieties of packages. We have two from Karasuno, which is Hinata Kageyama, Tsukishima, and Yamaguchi. And then we have the two guys from the Owl School, and then two guys from Nakoma. So here are the four different packages that we can get. So we're going to go ahead and open them all and see which 20 cards we have. So I went ahead and cut off the tops of every package. So each package comes with one wafer. I'm not going to take a bite into it because I'm pretty full right now. But what we want is the little card behind it. We have Yamamoto. He is part of Nekoma. I think he's the guy who's like very similar to Tanaka, but he has like a mohawk. Yep, that's definitely him. Ooh, these cards look really nice though. And we have Kageyama next. Ooh, the back looks so cool. It has like their stats and everything. Position, height, and highest point. So it's kind of like volleyball player cards almost. And here is Suna. He's part of Inarizaki. He's the guy who can bend his hips really well. Not a big fan of him. I'm more a fan of the twins. And we have Kenma, our little mastermind of Nakoma. Okay, next we have Suga. Okay, so it looks like each one is like an individual trading card so far. It's like one character per card. And look at him just yelling in there. Is that their volleyball number on it, number 2? I think so. Okay, next we have... Ooh. We have Kuro and Tenma. This must be a rare card because the back is so different. And it's so glittery. That's so cool. Okay, we need more of these pair cards. I hope that's not the only rare in this pack though. Okay, we have Yamaguchi next, which is Tsukishima's other pair. And he's a middle blocker. Next is Tendo. He is the right-hand man of Ushijima. Next we have Kita, the Inarizaki captain. Oh, this is him crying when he got his uniform. That was the most touching moment of the anime for him. And we have Tsukishima. So we have the other pair, and it's him screaming or shouting. So we have two of the characters from the cover so far. And he's another middle blocker. His height is 190 centimeters. That is crazy tall. Okay, we have Yaku. I think he's the libero of Nakoma. I think so, because his costume or his jersey is a little bit different. Yep, he's a libero. No, we have 2 Yakus in a row. I've opened, this is the 3rd time opening like a card candy case, and I haven't had doubles yet. I didn't know it existed in a single box. 2 Yakus. No, and another double. We have Tobio again. Another double. Something different. Yes, we have one of the twins. We have Miya Osamu. He's the gray hair twin. Now we need to get the blonde twin. Let's get Atsumu. Come on. And we have Oikawa. He is our setter for Aoba Josai. Yep, he's a setter. Dang, all these guys, they're super tall. He's 184 centimeters himself. And we have Hinata. Finally, we have another pair for our 2 Kageyamas. So far, he's the shortest one at 164 centimeters, and he is a middle blocker. And we have Nishinoya, who's another libero. And he's actually shorter than Hinata. He's 160 centimeters. We only have a couple of these left. Let's see. We have Bokuto, part of that owl school. I always forget how to say it. It's Fukuro Dani. And he is a wing spiker as well. So we've only had one rare card so far. Can we have one more before we end? Ah, yes. We have Hinata and Kageyama with a glittery background, so we have another rare one. Yeah, look at that. This is the last one. Please no doubles. Please no doubles. Oh, it's this guy. Hoshiumi. So he is another guy like Hinata. He is a wing spiker, and he's part of the new series. He's very important in the series, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and open all of these packages, and I'll organize them by the numbers, and I'll separate the doubles as well. So here are all the cards we have. We have Hinata, Kageyama, Tsukishima, Yamaguchi, and then those are all our pairs. Then we have Oikawa, Kenma, Bokuto, Tendo, Nishinoya, Suga, Yaku, Yamamoto, Osamu. If you noticed, if you watch my previous videos, I never get both sets of twins in the same kind of merch. I'm always getting one or the other. At least I'm getting one, but it would be nice if I can get a complete set. Kita, Suna, and Hoshiumi. And we have our rare pair, which is Hinata and Kageyama. We have Kuro and Kenma. So we have all the cards. I wished I had a second box. I've been saying that a lot with all these lately. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you all for watching.